It's move out day for the teenagers. Time to get them out of our garage and into the grow out coop. We haven't used the grow out coop in quite a bit, so I had to go down and check and make sure that the skirt was still intact. The grow out coop wasn't as bad as I thought, so I just had to hook up the coop to the run, throw up the tarp, bring the teenagers down, and they seem to adjust pretty nicely. I will probably keep them in this coop run area for another 4 to 6 weeks, just so they can get a little bigger, a little more acclimated to the outdoors, and then they'll be ready to go with the adults.